This will be the fastest award ceremony you've ever seen. Stephen's Roofing, holy moly's right here on the stage. There you go. There's your pin. 20 years. 20 years. Look at that. So we're down to Wagner Roofing. Who's here from Wagner Roofing? The Durable Slate Company. Okay, John Chan, Durable Slate.